Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable participant screen sharing in Zoom for Windows. This is a particularly useful feature if you want to encourage collaboration during your meetings, allowing participants to share their screens and contribute actively to presentations or discussions. Let's walk through the steps to set this up. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app on your Windows computer. Once it launches, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email address and password correctly to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Zoom home screen where you can see your upcoming meetings and various options. Now, the next step is to join a meeting. You can do this by clicking on the Join button and entering the meeting ID, or if you have a scheduled meeting, simply click on it to enter. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see the main meeting interface with participants and the control toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Look at the bottom toolbar and locate the green Share Screen button. Right next to it, you'll see a small up arrow icon. Click on that up arrow. This will open a menu with additional screen sharing settings and options that aren't immediately visible from the main toolbar. It's a handy little feature that gives you more control over how screen sharing works in your meetings. From the menu that appears, click on Host Tools for Share. This section is specifically designed for meeting hosts who want to customize how screen sharing functions during their sessions. It gives you the flexibility to control who can share and how many people can share at once, which is essential for managing smooth and organized meetings. Next, navigate to the option that says how many participants can share at the same time. Click on this and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this drop-down, you can select either one participant can share at a time or multiple participants can share simultaneously. If you want a more collaborative environment where several people can present at once, go with the multiple participants option. However, if you prefer to maintain focus on one presenter at a time, choose the single participant option. After you've made that selection, look for the setting labeled Who Can Share. Click on it to reveal another drop-down menu. From this menu, select All Participants. By choosing this option, you're giving everyone in the meeting the ability to share their screen, not just the host or co-hosts. This opens up participation and allows anyone to contribute by sharing their content directly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled participant screen sharing in your Zoom meeting, allowing for a more interactive and collaborative experience. Your participants can now share their screens freely based on the settings you've configured. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.